All right. Myself, Mini Man. I'm working as an educationist. I am specialized in the early childhood education. I have the experience of 18 years in the early childhood education system only. I worked with renowned schools like Springdale's, Amritsar, and then Doon International School, Amritsar, affiliated with Dehradun. And currently, I'm working with New Look Senior Secondary School, and my designation is the coordinator of the school. I'm taking care of all the branches, pre-primary section, and 1 to 6 English there.
Okay, wow. So, very, I think, extensive experience. I'm glad that you can join us.
Mhm. Thank you so much.
So, could you please tell us आपके जो current job है, उसके बारे में आपको किस तरह की responsibilities रहती हैं और आप उनको कैसे करते हैं?
Yeah, so right now, my current job, I'm working as the pre-primary coordinator first. I am working on a two job profiles right now. My first is the pre-primary coordinator. In that, I'm again checking on the teachers what are they are teaching in their classes for my pre-primary Montessori level, right? So all the activities, academics related to them, whatever our entire year's academic process, how we are working, as the National Education Policy 2020 already launched the learning by doing things. So we implemented NEP in our school, and our whole process is on the holistic development of the child, especially in the age of like nursery, LKG, UKG. And my second job profile is I'm taking care the English department from grade 1 to 6th. So that is two profiles at a time I'm working.
So interesting. तो आपने हमें बताया कि not only आपको आज रेगुलर जो नर्सरी के यूकेजी एलकेजी उनका जो फंक्शन रहता है वो भी करना पड़ता है, और जो गवर्नमेंट की नई पॉलिसी आई है 2020 में उसको भी अलाइन करना पड़ता है, तो पूरा जो
यस,
कोऑर्डिनेशन।
हमने अपने स्कूल में प्रॉपर एनईपी रूल्स फॉलो किए हुए हैं, और वो सारे इम्प्लीमेंट हो रहे हैं स्कूल में ऑन द लेवल ऑफ अर्ली चाइल्डहुड लर्निंग। सो एंटायर, अब उसमें एकेडमिक्स ले लो आप या एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग ले लो, एवरीथिंग इज डिजाइन्ड बाय मी।
वाह, वेरी नाइस। तो इसमें आप कैसे प्लान करते हो कि लाइक क्या इंक्लूड करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए?
Look, for if when we comes to activities, we plan entire year's activity in the form of calendars and sub activities, like once whatever we are doing every month. And then there are few activities which we are doing monthly, like one twice in a month or thrice.
राइट।
वो प्लान की हुई है, और वो सारा डिजाइन पैटर्न है हम लोगों का, कि हमने सारा कैलेंडर पे मेंशन होता है। दैट इज कंप्लीट एक्टिविटी। एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू academics में हमारा ये होता है कि what sort of exams we are conducting, right? Something beyond the papers we are working.
इम्पोर्टेंट। एंड आप एज फॉर योर इंग्लिश टीचर का जो काम रहता है उसमें आपका
हम्म
टिपिकल डे कैसा रहता है?
उसमें उसमें मेरा मेन वर्क है, लाइक आई हैव टू चेक माय इंग्लिश टीचर्स क्लासरूम्स ऑब्जर्वेशंस, दैट हाउ they are teaching methodology I'm working on, that how they are teaching in the classrooms. Actually, this system is also designed, we do planning every week, like a day prior, a week prior. We are My teachers are going to fill the planner, that what should be the topic, how, what teaching aids, what methods they are using, what will be the procedure, what are the learning outcomes of that particular thing, whatever we are introducing, chapter, literature, grammar. So the planning is complete teacher planner they have to fill. एक हफ्ते पहले वो सारा प्लानिंग अपनी फिल करते हैं, वो मुझसे चेक होती हैं सारी प्लानिंग्स। उसमें कुछ एडिशंस करने हैं, और मे बी पॉसिबल कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इनोवेटिव करना है एक्टिविटीज के थ्रू। सो वो मैं गाइड करती हूँ उनको। और मैनुअल्स वगैरह हमारे एकेडमिक पार्टनर्स, वी वर्क विद एकेडमिक पार्टनर्स, लाइक these days we are working with the Macmillan, we work with the Oxford's Advantage, we New Look worked with the best of the you can say authorized partners, academic partners, right? तो जब टीचर्स की प्लानिंग कंप्लीट हो गई, फिर टीचर ने उस प्लानिंग को क्लासरूम में इम्प्लीमेंट करना होता है। तो मुझे वो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन देखनी होती है कि टीचर किस तरीके से अपना लेक्चर डिलीवर कर रहे हैं। Once we are done with the chapter, once we have done with the class, after that, this classroom observation done, then my profile says that I have to go through the notebook work also. कि
Right.
अब जो बच्चों ने नोटबुक में जो वर्क किया है वो कितना परसेंट करेक्ट है और कितने परसेंट टीचर ने उसको ऑथेंटिकली चेक किया है। मेरे पास इस दिन इस क्लास के इस सेक्शन की नोटबुक्स आनी है, वो आई हैव टू चेक, आई हैव टू मेक द एंटायर रिपोर्ट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट।
तो सबसे अच्छा आपको क्या लगता है इस जॉब में?
Look, I am a BCom graduate and then I did my B.Ed. But in 18 years of experience, when the people say me, ke, why don't you choose the senior wing? Like, why don't you go to the senior wing? My heart doesn't belong there. I guess my heart belongs to my kindergarten, my primary wing, and they make me feel happy every day. And for the upcoming generation, also, what I feel, I'll give the suggestion, do what makes you happy, which is very important. Because these days, I completely agree that we have to earn the bread and butter. At the end, we will earn, no worries. But where is your happiness? So, my happiness is in teaching. Every day.
Oh wow. Now I would like to ask कि टीचिंग एंड ये ओवरसीइंग करने के लिए कौन सी डिग्री या फिर सर्टिफिकेशन करने पड़ते हैं?
सबसे पहली बात आती है जब आप एक ट्रेनर बनते हो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड सर्टिफाइड ट्रेनिंग programs to attend, which I have attended in Amritsar, Chandigarh, Delhi, various certified training programs you have to attend. Then you become the certified trainer.
अच्छा, आई सी। तो ट्रेनर बनने के लिए कोर्सेज करने पड़ते हैं एंड देन इसके पहले टीचिंग करने के लिए कौन सा ग्रेजुएशन रहता है? एंड आपको शुरू से टीचर ही बनना था?
Not at all. Completely not at all. I was not, matlab, I never thought of giving teachings in my life ever. I was a very average child. I've studied from New Look School only, where I'm currently working as a coordinator. That's my privilege. And I studied from New Look School, Banswara, nursery till 12th. Then I did my graduation from North India. Then I did my B.Ed after my marriage only, because my daughter, she's 21 now, and I just went with her for her admission in kindergarten. And the principals and the management, they just check on me and they said, why don't you join us? I said, I don't have any past experience. I'm just a graduate, that too in BCom, because I really want to pursue my career as a MBA student or being up into a business family. I really want to go into a business. But then I came home, and so my in-law said that what is the need of job? You have a good enough things in the house. And it is not about that. It is about your personal identity. It is not about that how much you are earning. It is about your personal identity. And I guess that is my wisest decision in my life, that I chose a career as a teacher.
So you said that
Yeah.
educational journey basically, so it's still possible to, it's not like आपको 12th के बाद ही डिसाइड करना है एजुकेशन करना है and then you're stuck with that, but actually आप कुछ और डिग्री करके करने के बाद भी कर सकते हैं
Yes,
एजुकेशन।
yes, yes. I'll give you example of my own daughter. My daughter Wahinur, she is a very, you can say, bright child. She has a lot of exposure in life. She did her 10th, and then she said, okay, I want to continue with science. She scored really well in science in 11th. And one day she came to me and she said, Mama, I'm not happy. I said, what happened? She said, this is not me. I want to pursue my career in psychology, but with humanities. I said, from science direct to humanities? I mean, like, there's so much of huge gap. She said, then what? I gave myself 1 or 2 days to, and there are so many of thoughts coming in my mind, coming and going. And then I realized what makes her happy. And today she's studying in Manipal University, Jaipur. She is pursuing her career in psychology.
That's nice.
Second year, yes, and she's very happy and scoring really good marks. And it's not only academics, it's about what makes you happy. As I said, as an independent person, a child should has the exact knowledge about a particular thing, not like haywire decision. Okay, I want to do this. My question is why you want to do this?
Yeah.
What are your what is your thought process about this thing, which is very important.
एग्जैक्टली इट्स अ गुड पॉइंट. कोई से भी करियर चूज करने के पहले एक्चुअली आपको बहुत मन लगा के एक्चुअली सोचना चाहिए कि मतलब क्यों कर रहे हैं.
यस, सोचना चाहिए कि हम मतलब हम फ्यूचर से चाहते क्या हैं एक्चुअली. अब आप देखो ना, मतलब यूजुअली इंडिया में प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हम क्या करते हैं, हमने बीकॉम करा, हमने एमबीए कर लिया, उसके बाद नहीं हमने इंजीनियरिंग भी किया. मतलब कई स्टूडेंट्स मैंने ऐसे देखे, उन्होंने इंजीनियरिंग की फील्ड ली और उसके बाद उन्होंने एमबीए कर लिया एमएनसी ज्वाइन करने के लिए. सो why you are wasting your so much of time on those things which are not working in your favor in future?
क्या ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो स्टूडेंट्स को पता नहीं चाहिए टीचर के होने के बारे में?
The very important part is that how you implemented your trainings in the sessions.
Right.
Like how much people are actually listening to you. Whether you are a good speaker, because these days people get bored very soon. I mean, like for 10 minutes attention span, you need to pay a lot of hard work. I guess, which is very important, how to grab attention from day one. If you say, if you're going to a nursery class, how will you grab attention of these little toddlers? How you are engaging your trainers is very important. So the practical knowledge is even important than the theoretical knowledge. What is your self confidence speaks a lot about you. How you are presenting yourself. वो बात कहते हैं ना कई बार कि एक इंसान का सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, एक होता है ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस, एक होता है सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, दैट यू हैव द सेल्फ बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. सो कुछ गलत चीज भी आप, कई लोग इतनी कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल लेते हैं कि सामने वाला कहता नहीं यार ये तो ठीक ही होगा, दैट पर्सन इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट, एंड विच इज इन माय केस. तो बहुत बार होता है, बट मैं गलत नहीं बोलती हूँ. एंड मुझे लगता है ट्रेनर के लिए सबसे, ट्रेनर भी क्यों, किसी भी चीज के लिए सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट है सेल्फ स्टडी about that particular topic, whatever. Like if you and me, we are sitting today, right? So before that, how nicely you explained me that this we did, and on this only we are going to work. So this made my path very clear. Okay, what I have to speak, what I have to omit, how much I have to speak, what is my time limit, that's it. So I guess a person should be proactive. Proactive means आपको पहले से किसी भी चीज के लिए आपकी previous knowledge होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Right, right. Okay. Thank you.